Hello! This video is on how to replace the lock in a sliding metal, vinyl, or wooden patio door. We're using this cross-section of a metal sliding patio door to show you this tutorial. To begin, we removed the handles from both sides of the door. Because our door is hollow, we want to make sure that when we unscrew the lock, it doesn't fall down into the door. We're using a simple hex wrench. Stick it into the bottom handle screw holes so it bridges the hollow width of the door. Now, we need to unscrew and remove the lock. It can be helpful to use your screwdriver to grip the lock so you can work it up or down and then tilt it out of the door. To install your new lock, extend the latch. You can do this by either sticking a flat-tipped screwdriver in the keyhole of the lock or by just knocking on it until it comes out. Grip the lock by holding the latch. Slip it into the door by tilting it upwards and then letting it slide down into place. Secure the screws in place, and your lock has been successfully replaced. Reinstall your handles and call it a day. If you have any questions or requests, please leave a comment below or visit us at allaboutdoors.com.